Have you ever wondered how an LED bulb works? It's not magic, though it might seem like it. Let's demystify the process and break it down into simple, understandable steps. LED stands for light-emitting diode. It's an electronic component that emits light when an electric current passes through it. But how? Well, the heart of an LED bulb is a semiconductor. This is a material that has properties between a conductor, which allows electricity to flow freely, and an insulator, which doesn't allow electricity to flow at all. The semiconductor in an LED is made of two layers. The first layer is packed with extra electrons, making it negatively charged. The second layer lacks electrons, making it positively charged. When electricity is applied to the semiconductor, the excess electrons in the negative layer start moving towards the positive layer. Here's where the magic happens. As these electrons move, they fall into what is called electron holes in the positive layer. This process is known as recombination. And when these electrons fall into the holes, they release energy in the form of photons, particles of light. This is what causes the LED to glow. The color of the light produced by an LED depends on the type of semiconductor material used. Different materials emit photons at different wavelengths, creating light of different colors. This is how we get LEDs that produce red, green, blue, or white light. So to sum up, an LED bulb works by passing an electric current through a semiconductor. This causes excess electrons to move and fall into electron holes, releasing energy as light. It's a fascinating process, one that has revolutionized the world of lighting and brought us into a new era of energy efficiency and environmentally friendly technology. And that, in a nutshell, is how an LED bulb works. It's not just about lighting up a room, it's about the interaction of electricity and semiconductors, the movement of electrons, and the release of photons. It's a tiny, silent symphony of physics and engineering happening right there in the bulb above your head. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more illuminating content.